Hello everybody, my name is Orasafo from Ghana. You can see me smiling. I'm smiling not because of anything, it's because of how happy I am to meet Ali Sad. This is how the Forex thing began. So it's been close to 3 years. I've been searching for how to get into this Forex market. I've been watching all kinds of YouTube videos, following all kinds of Telegram, a whole lot Facebook. If I'm to show you the number of Facebook groups I am in for just Forex alone, it would just you are going to go crazy. And then upon finally I had a chance to meet Alisa's YouTube. I checked his videos out, and then he was like, he also has a website, forexacademy.com for beginners. I was like, let me check him out. I went there, a whole lot of models being structured, starting from MT4, how to, like everything, details. He went into TradingView, taught us how to do the trading views, that 3 chart pattern. He taught us about candlestick. When it comes to chart analysis, no one ever comes close to Alisa. He taught me to the extent that I can even sleep and then just be describing how the market structure is. I'm not boasting, but then give me a market, I would tell you where this market is heading to, the structure of the market. When it comes to Fibonacci, Alisa is the best. He gives you everything you need, trend lines. And then, do you know the fantastic thing about him? He also has a Facebook group, okay? So anytime we the students, we do, you see, you always need a mentor. And then, yes, this mentor, not only the mentor, but then a platform where you are going to be posting your charts. And then this chart you post, because of, I don't know how to put it, but then because of how he's taught you, he has given us a platform where we post the charts, and then when you are wrong, he corrects you. Because of this platform, he has really helped me so much to the extent that initially when I started, I felt shy posting, especially with the structuring the market, like the higher highs, the higher lows. I posted the first one, it was like, no, this is not how we do it. You can see this, you do that, you see how, no, your trend lines, you are missing out, it has to do this. No, when you are drawing a channel, you don't use two different trend lines. We have a channel. The best way is to use the channel. I mean, I was like, he always tries to guide us and make us very perfect when it comes to the group. This is something I've never ever seen before. Not only that, he gave us just one particular currency we focused on. Try to know every details about the forex market with just that one currency pair. And then after that, I feel like a god already. If I'm to show you what I'm doing, oh my god, Alisa is my god on earth. I bless the day I found you, Ali. God bless you so much. I don't know what I would have. I just don't know what to say. Ali, Inshallah, Alhamdulillah, Ali. Because of you, the way I'm broadcasting you here in Ghana, telling all my friends, now they've started following. They are just marveled with just 5-6 lessons, and they are marveled already. Just 7 lessons on this forest, and then they think they are through already. Ali Sad, you are the only person that could give us this free thing. You gave us every dime of this forest market, and then trust me, I owe you everything, Ali. God richly bless you so much, Ali. Inshallah, Ali, I would never ever forget you in my life. I would never. To my Ghanaian followers, all I can tell you is just give yourself the time. Practice everything he teaches you. Don't worry, just take the pace. And then, do you know one thing that marveled me was his 50 days challenge? He told us, and then he told us, forget about those fundamental analysis. I was like, oh, you are telling me to forget about fundamental analysis, which also plays a major role in the forex. not knowing he has structured everything. I bet you, start from the lesson 1 and then completed the last lesson. See how he taught the moving averages, the 18 moving average, 18 moving average, 50, and then damn, that Fibonacci thing and the market structure, that alone, I don't need any indicator. Ali, may God bless you. If you see me happy, if you see me smiling, because of Ali, see how now I have my own setups already, and then I'm smiling already. That 3 chart setup, where you start from the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and enter within the 15 minutes, linking these 3 things so that everything you do, God bless you, man. Peace. Bless up everybody. To everybody to watching me, this is not a hype. And then even if it's a hype, it deserves every time. It deserves. I'm not lying, but I've paid close to almost $800 just for Forex. Ali gave me everything for free. All I did was just subscribe to TradingView. And then, do you know one thing? His TradingView account, when you use the student link, you just get a promo too, which was also, you wouldn't get anything, and you wouldn't get this from anyone, no one. Ali, I don't want to talk plenty. If you're watching, try and follow everything he teaches you, do everything he says, try and post the charts on the Facebook platform. He corrects you, don't be mad, go back, go and correct them, come back again, come back as much as you can until he says you are perfect. Do you know my market structure, my Fibonacci, I forgot the support and resistance. Guess what? He taught me support and resistance with the line chart. Get that? To the extent that if you want to, he taught me from the monthly. If you want to draw the monthly chart, go to the monthly, switch to the line chart, find just find a point where this one there is an intercept, as in I don't even know how to, like, I'm so marveled to the extent that I drew trend line from the monthly. I drew I draw the support and resistance from the monthly to the weekly and then to the daily. And then, do you know how it? Nah, I think I have to keep you on in suspense so that you go watch him out, follow him, do everything he says, and then bet me you would never regret. You would never ever regret every time you spent on it. Give your time to this. Listen to every bit. Watch it once. Don't watch it more. Like, watch it 1, 2, 3, as many as you can. Try and grab everything. Make notes as I'm making. See, these are my notes. Try and make notes. These are Alisa's notes. Watch everything. I bet you are not going to regret. God bless everybody. God bless the Forex Academy. God bless the whole team. God bless the whole family. Amen.